Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I break this plasticine car. Yes, this Chevrolet Chevy model is made of plasticine, and plasticine can be easily crushed by hand. Let me show you this now. I'll take off the rear bumper of the car and I'll break the back of this Chevrolet. Don't worry, I'll easily restore it before your eyes. This is how I could easily damage the rear with my fingers and can just as easily return the original shape of the body. Ready, I restored part of the body. There are only cracks left from the paint on it. Now I have definitely convinced you that the car is made of plasticine. It's time to destroy this car. Enjoy watching. It didn't turn out the way I planned. The car made one overturn, its hood was damaged, and there were small dents all over the body. This is especially visible on the rear of the car. It can be seen that small pebbles are stuck to the body of the car. Again, not enough revolutions, more are needed. There are more dents and scratches left on the car body from small pebbles. While it was spectacular, the car crashed and lost many parts, even the engine flew off. And there are also other body elements lying on the ground. Apparently, I stuck them loosely. The roof is also not holding up well. Also, all the windows flew out after such strong coups. I can't start the car without turning it over many times. The slope is too small, more is needed. The car is all broken, and to completely destroy it, let's throw a stone on it. While that was so devastating, I threw a stone onto the car incorrectly. He only fell halfway across the car, but it needs to be completely crushed. This is incredible damage to the car. There are many traces of small pebbles on the body of the Raspberry. These dents on the body of the car look like shots from a shotgun or shells. No, the last stone. Is thrown at the car. This is what will happen to your car if a very, very large stone falls on it. This is critical damage to the car. The engine and interior of this Chevrolet were completely crushed. The car turned into a solid piece of plasticine. Look, I found the hood. It immediately flew off along with the stone. Apparently, he stuck to it. An incredible amount of dents on the hood. It's a pity that it didn't work out the way I intended. Throw the car down a slope so that it turns over many times. You need to look for a more suitable slope for this. But there was also something to see in this video. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe to the channel. There will be even more amazing destruction of plasticine cars in the future. Bye. See you in the next videos.